You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn together how to say tiger or the tiger in French. If you want to learn more French, useful French vocabulary that is confusing, stay tuned. You found the right channel. The French pronunciation here is le tigre. Le is the article for the. Tigre. Tigre. Tigre, you could say, if you cannot pronounce French perfectly. Le tigre is how to say tiger, the tiger in French. Le tigre, again, how to pronounce in French. Le tigre is how to say tiger in French. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.